Hi, this is Venkatnarayana from Sunya Technologies. Today I am going to discuss pattern with the numbers in Java like below. In first row we need to display 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and in second row 2, 2, 2, 2, and in third row 3, 3, 3, and in fourth row 4, 4, and in fifth row 5. This is continuation to previous video. Please go through previous video before going to this video. We are going to discuss this program in IntelliJ, launch IntelliJ and create Java application. First step is read the input from command prompt system.out.print. Please provide number of rows. Create instance for scanner class, scanner sc equal to new scanner, and pass system.in. Invoke nextInt method sc.nextInt and assign to integer variable int number of rows. So we need to display like this. So here we need to use two for loops. First for loop to get the rows, second for loop to get columns and values. For int row equal to 1, row less than or equal to number of rows, row plus plus. For int column equal to number of rows, column greater than or equal to row, column minus minus, system.out.print row plus white space system.out.println. Execute this program, go to run, click on run main. Please provide number of rows 5, enter. We are getting output like 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and in second row 2, 2, 2, 2, and third row 3, 3, 3, and fourth row 4, 4, and fifth row 5. We will debug this program. To understand flow of execution, put breakpoint here, go to run, click on debug main or shift F9, later click step into or F7. Click on debug main, console, click F7, read input 5, enter. Here number of rows is equal to 5, row is equal to 1, 1 less than or equal to 5, true. It goes to inner loop. Here number of rows assigned to column, that means column is equal to 5, 5 greater than or equal to 1, true. That means this loop will execute 5 times. F7, print row, here row is equal to 1 printed here. Then column decrement of 1, that means column is equal to 4, 4 greater than or equal to 1, true. Then print row, column decrement of 1, that means 3, 3 greater than or equal to 1, true. Print row, column decrement of 1, and print row. Here we have values like 5 ones. F7, cursor goes to next line. Now row is equal to 1, it will increment one value, that means row is equal to 2, 2 less than or equal to 5, true. It will go to inner loop, number of rows is equal to 5, that means column is equal to 5, 5 greater than or equal to 2, that means this row will execute 4 times. F7, cursor goes to next line. Now row increment 1, that means 3, 3 less than or equal to 5, true. This for loop will execute 3 times. Now row is equal to 4, 4 less than or equal to 5, true. Then this loop will execute 2 times. Now row is equal to 5, 5 less than or equal to 5, true. This loop will execute 1. Now row will increment 1, that means row is equal to 6, 6 less than or equal to 5, false. It exits from for loop. and here we have output like in first row we have 5 ones, and in second row 4 twos, in third row 3 threes, and fourth row 2 fours, and fifth row 1 5. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.